welcome back to Lupo Outdoors. Today we are at Fierce Firearms. They have a soft part in my heart because I absolutely love their rifles. I have a 6.5 Creedmoor one, and I can never say enough about how accurate and how amazing those guns are. But Fierce has some new stuff.
Thank you for the nice words, Robert. Yeah, so new for 2025 here at Fierce Firearms. We've got a couple of models to show you. So the Twisted Rogue, which we launched in late November and is shipping now, is slated to be a good mover for us this year. So it's based off of our Carbon Rogue platform that we launched 2 years ago, just with a couple of new features. So we went with a spiral fluted steel number 4 contour barrel. It's a little bit larger than previous steel contours we've done, and what that's allowed us to do is thread at 5/8 24. So for people that live in suppressor friendly states, most of your direct thread suppressors are compatible with this platform. It's going to be available in 4 color schemes. Here's 2 to show you. I've got tungsten and phantom and black and trophy. It'll be available in all the cartridges that we're doing our Carbon Rogue series in, including the new 7mm backcountry.
What's the retail on those?
And these are gonna come. Street price on them is gonna be $17.50, so well under the $2,000 mark. With that too, the Carbon Rogues will now go down to $19.99, so also right at the $2,000 mark. Also, a new chassis iteration this year. So we have the Reaper H-Tac. It's based off of our Mountain Reaper that you can see here below, just with a couple of changes and a little more aggressive price point. So these are going to retail at $24.99. So it will have an aluminum chassis with a steel action, whereas our Mountain Reaper is a magnesium and titanium. So this adds a little bit of weight, but it's designed to be more of a hybrid hunter / NRL, the shooting sports gun. Standard will have a Parsha Arca rail, and as an aftermarket, we'll offer a full-length Arca rail for it. Available in all the same cartridges that the Mountain Reaper is available in, including the 7mm backcountry. So you should be tipping the scales at about 7 pounds in a long action with a 22-inch barrel, and just under 7 pounds in a short action.
That's great.
As far as new stuff goes, that's
our stuff.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
great.
Yeah.
And so we have everything that's basically about $2,000 and lower.
Yeah, $2,500 to just under $2,000 in the new product this year.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And like I said at the beginning, you can't go wrong with the Fierce Firearms. They are absolutely spectacular. Right out of the box, load it up and shoot. They are spot on. What's your warranties right now?
Yeah, so we do a lifetime warranty on all the guns for any manufacturer defects. Our accuracy guarantee is good for the first year of service on the rifles. All our Rogue series are going to have a 3/4 MOA accuracy guarantee. The Reaper H-Tac and anything above that will have a 1/2 MOA guarantee.
Wonderful.
So, yeah.
Joey, thank you so much.
Yeah,
we
thank you for your
appreciate
time.
it.
Yeah.